I have another D stash for you. I have another D stash for you. These two are Diamond Art Club. They are older canvases. One I got from Joann's and one I got from Diamond Art Club themselves. Again, they were back in the day when I didn't really know what the heck I was looking at. I just looked at the picture, didn't look at the size, didn't look at, well, I don't care if it's round or square. If I like the image, I'm going to do it. So, my hair is falling out again. That's what happens when you're old. Your hair falls out, you know? Okay, what do I have today? Let's take a look. All right. Don't fall. Anybody else talk to their paintings? I do. Kind of weird, I know. We have Abstract Cat. I really like this guy, but I don't think I'm going to do him. I have a lot of stuff, guys. I do. I really like him. I really do. He is pretty cool. I hope one of you can complete it. My son actually has this one. But I hope one of you will do it and enjoy it. It is a square. It is a 16-inch by 16-inch or a 41 centimeter by 41 centimeters. It has 37 colors. And how many diamonds does it say on the box? It does. 26,569. So that really isn't a lot. I mean, if this doesn't sell, I'll still keep it in my collection. This one will not be shipped out anywhere. But look at, he's so cute. And you can see the whole thing. That's the whole thing. Isn't that a cutie patootie? So this one has 1, 2, 3, oh my gosh, 4 ABs, guys, 4 ABs. And no fairy dust. Like I said, this was an older canvas. So I may throw in some, let me write down what I'm saying so I can remember if I get an offer. Cat white ABs. Or maybe black ABs. I don't know. I don't know which one. But if you need a toolkit, let me know. I've got plenty of Diamond Art toolkits. I can send you a premium toolkit as well. So this is Abstract Cat, and I don't have the drills in here. The drills are not in here. They are not. Oh my gravy, where are the drills? Where's my... Okay, guys, you're gonna have to hold on a second while I get the drill. I don't want to start the video, but I guess I'm gonna have to because the drill container is not in here. At least I don't think so. No, that's not. Okay. We're gonna have to start this again. So I'm gonna put you on pause and let's just come back, okay? I am back. Did you miss me? I found the drills. I hate having to edit because then I have to put both parts in another editing thing and blend them together. And that takes an extra, I don't know, 45 minutes before I can get it posted. But I have time, so this isn't a race. So here are the drills. And I also found the drills for the other kit that's going to be in this video. So as you can see, I've already gone through, see the little dashes, and verified that all the drills are here. So this does not have fairy dust. It just has 4 ABs. Here they are. I put them in baggies because I can't get them back in the thing. And I'm going to make a copy of the color grid. Here's the original toolkit. There is no cover minder in here. It's just pen, pair of tweezers, baggies, 2 heart waxes, squishy, and a tray with a funnel like that, but in clear. So here is your warranty card, which doesn't do any, well, is it the warranty card? Nope, it's got tips and tricks. And then here is your drills. Let's look at them. And I'm not going to go through the drills on the other kit like this because there's a lot. But pretty. So after I do inventory, I put them, as you can see, in a gallon baggie. There's another AB. There's another AB, and these are square, as you can see. So there's 1, 2, 2 ABs in this string, 3 ABs right here. There should be 1 more. Isn't there 4? Yeah, there should be 4. And orange, we found the orange. We found the yellow and the blue. Did we find the purple? Like a purple one. Number 1. I'm going to find it now, guys. There it is. 120. There's a lot of them. That's why I missed it. I thought they would be in the smaller package. Excuse me. Felt that coming. Couldn't stop the camera, though. 126. So they're all here. Woohoo! Okay. You hear the garbage man? They're stealing my garbage. All right. And then we got this frame. Okay, and this comes with your little tiny sticker. Super cute. So whatever you don't want, let me know because it saves on shipping, the least I have to send. But you got to put it in the comments, otherwise you're going to get everything. I mean, put it in the email or you will get everything you see. Pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com if you're interested in this cutie. Look at those eyes. Those eyes would be real pretty with fairy dust in them. Yeah. Or even ABs in the black. So, yeah, you just have to let me know. And there's no plastic bag. Oh, yes, there is. Because I'm sure I could find one too. So, Abstract Cat by Eve Izette. All right. We're going to put that, hold your ears. All right, the next one that I have is we're going to do this different because I have the drills right in front of me. Call of the Wild. Now this one is a 36 by 6 inch by 27.6 or 93 centimeters by 70 centimeters. This one has 2 ABs and no fairy dust. It only has 2 special drills, and I will make a copy of this because I'm noticing some of the labels are coming undone, and I'll include a photocopy of it. Here's your toolkit. This came from Diamond Art Club, so this should have everything in it. Okay, apparently it doesn't. So you get your white tray with your stopper. Now, with this stopper, you do your diamond painting. Actually, I put it in the wrong way. You put it in like that with the little nub down. And then when you're done diamond painting and you want to get them out, you just lift that and tilt, and the drills come out. I know, I've worked it. It does work. So you don't ever really have to take this out. Just put it down, lift it up, and they will come out. Down when you're painting, up to get them out. So this is that cute little tray. And it's got some baggies. Your tweezers, and there is no pen. So if you want the toolkit, let me know. I will put one together for you. I'm not going to give you that one because it's missing the main tool. Okay. Here are your drills. This is a square. And there is 55 colors. Wait till you see the canvas, guys. There's the 2 ABs right here. Two 301. Oh, and you get your little sticker. So here are some more drills. Oh, look at all the greens. Oh, guys, look at all those greens. It is a landscape. More greens, but wait. If you like green, this is the canvas for you. If you like Chuck Penson, this is the canvas for you. Very pretty. Look at that red. Look at that. Oh. All those bright colors. And we still forgot one. Look at all of these. These are the big boys. These are the big ones. All right, so let's take a look at the canvas. I might end up having to do 2 separate boxes to ship this out. I'm not sure yet. Okay. So remember, if you want a toolkit, you have to let me know because this is going to be a heavy ship. So this one has no information on the box. Nope, just the size, which is a 36.6 inch by 27.6, 93 centimeters by 70 centimeters. But that is all. Call of the Wild by Chuck Pinson. Okay. So this one I'm going to need, look at the canvas. Now, if you look at the sticker, it looks like it's a dark piece. But this is not going to be a dark piece. All right, I got to show you. Let me change my camera angle. All right, guys, I have to stand up. All the things. So you can see this beautiful piece. This would be one when you're done. You can get a frame and hang it up. I'm sorry, guys. There we go. Look at the bright colors. Look at that house. Can you see it? No. There's the house. I wish I had another hand. But, and then you got water. See the bridge? This is going to be beautiful. So this, the thumbnail on this one stinks because it makes it look very dark and that you can't see all the bright colors. But that's okay because when you put the drills on, it's going to pop and you're going to love this so much. You're going to put it in a frame and put it up on your wall in your living room or your hallway or somewhere because this is going to be beautiful. So let's see. See the house? Oh. Look at the smoke coming out of the chimney. That one is not any ABs or fairy dust. I might, let me see. I gotta look for call wild. Look for gray fairy dust. Smoke. I will look for those and see if I can find some extra. It's not that much, but we gotta have that pop, don't you think? We gotta have that pop. So I will look for that. So here is Call of the Wild by Chuck Pinson. It's a big one. And pamper yourself, guys. And get it. Get it. Right, everyone. Be kind and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Take care.